want to know how deceiving the world is? The world says be true to yourself. Y'all ever heard that? Hey, be true to yourself. But Jesus says be true to me. The world says follow your heart. But Jeremiah 17 says the heart is desperately wicked. But Jesus, what does Jesus say? He says follow me. The world says believe in yourself. How many of us heard that growing up? But Jesus says believe in me. The world says, oh, discover yourself. Discover your inner self. But the Word of God says this in Matthew 16. It says deny yourself.